Hey guys, I have a Weber Genesis grill, propane grill, and I had to buy a new igniter. It's been out forever, but I finally was like, hey, I'll just buy one. So this came while I was on vacation. I already had the old one out. Basically, it rotted in the inside, water got in, even though the button was fine. And yeah, it just corroded, and who knows, it probably could still work if you could open these, but they're sealed, other than pretty poor job sealing at the top. So I already started kind of pulling this apart, so pretty much that just slides inwards and the whole black wire comes out. So see what they give me. There's the part numbers again. I'll put it in the description also. Okay, let's see what they give us in the box. So, I forget what I paid. Seemed reasonable. But I'll put that in the description too, with a link to the Amazon site. So, instructions, Weber Spirit. I don't recall what this grill is, but it fits a wide range of grills. So, hopefully it's the same. There we go. That's what the other one looks like. I already had the shield off. That's what it looks like. There's a new shield. A new button. And I think the igniter, the wires. There we go. Move all that out of the way. So that's what that looks like. Looks like a different setup, so I might just use this one. Nothing wrong with this one. Versus trying to figure out how to use that. I'll go ahead and use this old one versus trying to figure out how to use the new one that looks like a different style. Hopefully that part works. Let's see. Otherwise, basically looks the same. Has a rubber gasket. That just threads off. And there we go. Let's see if the old wire fits. Yep, it does. Okay. And it came with a battery too. So just go under. Put that on there like that. It's probably, that was probably like that. Like so. That. Then you take your new button. Well, actually you put your battery in. There we go. So I'm gonna hook it up. So what I'll do here, since I'm just going to use this old one, just show that. This one just slides into a groove. light. Make sure I got the battery in correctly. Just make sure you have negative. I had it the wrong way. Screw that back on over here. And there we go. Back in business. That's all you have to do. Really easy and not that expensive. There you guys go. You can fix your Weber.